Pivot Adjustable Mechanism Installation Standard System. The kit includes 2 bases, 1 top attachment element, 1 bottom attachment element, 1 screw, 1 plastic attachment element, 1 self-tapping screw, 2 lock nuts, 2 hole covers, 6 Euro screws. As standard, the kit provides left-hand opening. For right-hand opening, you have to reassemble the attachment elements. The link to the door size calculation table is below. Prepare holes as for standard system. Insert the plastic attachment element in the top rail groove. Fix the top attachment element with an assembling self-tapping screw. Additionally fix with a self-tapper from the kit. Bring in the bottom attachment element and fix it with an assembling self-tapping screw. Additionally, draw together with the screw from the kit. Install the top and bottom bases. For installation in a cupboard, use the Euro screws from the kit. Unscrew the axe from the top base. Insert the door into the bottom axe. And screw the top axe into the base through the attachment element of the door. Adjust the door in the 3 plates, turning an eccentric workpiece inside the top and bottom attachment elements. Screw the lock nuts into the attachment elements. Install the decorative hole covers. To fix the door leaf, install magnetic latch at the top or at the bottom. The link to the detailed installation guide is below. The maximal door height is 3,200 mm. The maximal width is 900 mm. The weight is up to 40 kilograms.